Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm recording this video live from United Kingdom. If it's your first time on my channel, I will say you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe, like my videos, leave your comment, share, because in this page you are going to learn so much for those who want to earn multiple income, right? Now, people ask me, what do you do? What is my job? My job is to help everyday people build multiple streams of income. Yeah, through e-commerce business, Amazon FBA, Amazon FBN, eBay, TikTok shop, digital products, affiliate marketing, and online business. That is what I do. Okay, that is what I do. So I call myself business coach. Sometimes I do call myself a mentor, business mentor. Yes, and so on and so on. I love teaching. I love, coaching people. I love helping people, for anything good online. So that is what I do. And sometimes I share my personal business journey, lifestyle, and practical tips to help you grow. So please subscribe. Now, let's go straight to the topic of today. Why are we here today? For new beginners that they want to start selling online. Maybe you want to start selling on eBay, you want to start selling on Amazon, and so on. But you don't know what to do, or you don't know what, there's few things that if you do, your account might just be restricted, or your account might just will be suspended, and so on and so on. So let's take a look at what we have. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about VeRO list. I don't know if you have heard about VeRO list. Yeah, so VeRO list, we're going to look at it and how to avoid it. Yes, best practice. Take your own products, photos, and blah, blah, blah. That's what we're going to look at. Okay, so you see here, so once your eBay account is set up and you are ready to start selling, you don't just go and just pick any product from anywhere and just come and list it. Let's say you found this product now, yeah? You can't just go and get this product and just list it, right? You cannot. You need to do a VeRO list check. It's very important, okay? You need to do that. It's very important. So what is VeRO? That's what we're going to talk about. Why listings are removed, we're going to talk about that. How it affects sellers, we're going to talk about that. How to avoid account problem. Okay, so that is what we are talking about today. Now, what is VeRO? Because if you hear me mention, what is VeRO? VeRO stands for Verified Rights Owner Program. Yeah, Verified Rights Owner Program allows brand to report listing that infringe intellectual property, covers trademark, yes, a trademark, copyrights, patents, and design rights. eBay may remove listing after a valid report. So they can, those who own the brand and so on, they can report. How VeRO works. Right owner, eBay, listing remove. You see, right owner reports listing, eBay reviews, listing remove, struck action. eBay can take any action they want to take against you. You understand? Because you are using somebody else, maybe picture, products, and so on and so on. Okay? Now, common reason for VeRO. Top causes of listing removal. Yeah? You can see that the top, cause of listing removal. So reason, copied images. You see there, you cannot be copying somebody's picture and use. Nowadays, there are so many ways that you can actually create your pictures, get your pictures for you to list your products without problem. Okay, so we have trademark misuse. Yes, someone that has trademarked their name, their brand, their everything. You cannot just come and just use it on your own account like that without any proof or any approval. All right, copyright. Yes, patent, struck design. Example, using Amazon or Google photos, brand name used incorrectly, fake branded goods, copied descriptions, protected product design. You see, this can actually cause problem for your own eBay account. All right, so you want to avoid that when you start selling on eBay. Next one, copying another seller's images, copying product description, selling fake branded products, taking your own photos, writing original description. That is what will save you. Okay, so what sellers often do wrong, I know, because I have community, I normally train people and so on and so on. Some people don't have time to even, do their own research. Some people don't even go and check what and what and what. They will see one product on Amazon, they just want to list it on eBay. So they will just take the picture, they will copy the description, everything, title, they will just copy everything. Instead of using, you can use ChatGPT to give you good titles, good description, and pictures, etc., etc. Yes, for your account not to be banned. All right. Moving forward, when we look at this, yeah, I'm just gonna move my this thing. Let me see. Yeah, I want to move my, yeah, I've moved my picture up, or let me see if my picture can go on the other side so you guys can see me from the other side. Yeah. Now, let's move forward. You see here how VeRO affects your account. Yeah, how VeRO list affect your account. This VeRO, how does it affect your account? Possible consequences. Listing removed. If you do the first time, they will remove, your listing. Loss of sales, because when they remove the product, meaning you're no longer going to sell it. eBay might give you warnings. Lower account trust. Yes, because once anything happened to your account, yes, eBay normally just, your standard of selling, everything start to go down, right? And selling restrictions, you might get selling restrictions, possible suspension, you see. So repeat violations increase account risk. So you don't want to put yourself in that, okay? How to avoid VeRO list. Best practice, take your own products photos. As I said before, you can use ChatGPT to get all your pictures, write unique description. ChatGPT can help you. There are many AIs. You can use Dollar, you can use Clothes. There are many, AI that you can go and get all these things. Buy from legitimate suppliers. Yes, we're going to talk about suppliers on my next videos. It's very important for those who want to start selling on eBay and Amazon. And also research brands before listing. Don't just go and take any products and list without checking the brand's owner. Yes, read every VeRO notice carefully. Yes, you have to read to know all the terms and conditions before you list it on your account. Remove similar risky listing. If you see it, remove it. You don't need it. You want to keep your account healthy, you want to make money, then you have to follow that. Next, if you receive a VeRO notice, what to do next? When you receive it, I received it before. When you receive it, what do? Read the notice. Don't just ignore it. Many people, they receive eBay email or notification or whatever. People just ignore it. They will not read it, but it's very important for you to read it. Identify the issues. Fix futures listing. Learn from it. Don't ignore it. Yes, avoid. Ignore it. That is the thing to avoid. Relisting with and change without you going to change whatever title, description, pictures. Yeah, you will just continue, leave it like that. Arguing without evidence. You cannot argue because the brand is not yours, the picture is not yours. So how are you going to argue from, what's the point? You just go and correct everything. Repeating mistakes. If you keep repeating mistake, you're going to be in trouble. So you don't want that. Okay, you don't want that. Next one. Key takeaways. Protect your account. For our new beginners, our new sellers, protect your account, okay? VeRO protects intellectual property. Yeah? Not every remover means the items is fake. It's not like that. You just have to read and read and read, okay? Repeated violation can harm your account. Yes, some people's account has been banned before, some people's account has been restricted, some people selling whatever, they have removed all their products and they have to start all over again, okay? Original content and genuine sourcing reduce risk. So you need a legit, proper supplier. So that is on our next video, we will talk about that, okay? So if you have any question, yes, leave it under this video. And not only that, subscribe for more eBay selling tips, Amazon selling tips, digital products, affiliate marketing, etc., etc. Because I'm here to give you the best. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and share this video. Until next time, and bye for now.